Tosee Pazhuhan Pishro Pharmed Company was registered with the subject of designing medical system and providing study, research, and continuous training for specialists and therapists. Since the beginning of 2019, this institute has desired and planned professional scientific and practical innovations and the use of an expert and experienced team, as well as educational programs needed by doctors and pharmacists, professional, active in the field of medicine and pharmaceutical industry and pharmacy. 5 different departments of the company: regulatory, research and development, medical advisory, commerce, quality assurance, medical advisory, advice on creating a medical team, scientific training of the medical team according to the drugs available in the pharmacy, the correct way of literature review, how to prepare scientific materials to present to KOLs, examining the competitive advantages of existing drugs from a scientific point of view, the correct way to answer scientific questions raised by doctors, how to prepare a scientific speech for presentation in therapy centers. Pharmacovigilance, advising on setting up the pharmacovigilance department and training the required specialist staff. Providing advice and regulatory services for drugs and nutritional supplements. Carrying out all the steps related to entering the country drug list. Obtaining an activity license in the field of production at the place of the contract production and import of the factory. Providing consulting and business development services. Special regulatory skills for pharmacists and experts active in drug import production construction. Production, GIMP, liquids, solids, soft gel consulting sterile and non-sterile line. Carrying out all regulatory affairs extending renewals, amending licenses for complementary, natural, traditional medical products, special fund medicinal supplies, pricing medicinal and complementary products, carrying out all matters related to pharmaceutical raw materials and supplements, captaining IRC, import licenses, customs, and clearness. Writing a comprehensive file for the construction of the PMF supplement DMF labeling of herbal and traditional products. Preparation of a comprehensive pharmaceutical file, CTD, a questionnaire for the production of natural, traditional, special food supplement products. Writing the file for the manufacture of chemical drugs with CTD pattern. Design and physicochemical control of packaging of different pharmaceutical forms. Extract information from Pharmacopoeia. Compilation of standard operating procedures. Providing consulting and business rules for registration and entry of drugs and raw materials. Principles of good storage and distribution, ESP and GDP of pharmaceutical products. Advice on the selection of pharmaceutical products, nutritional supplements and herbal medicines, new cosmetics, and health products with marketing capability in the Iranian market in accordance with the late guidelines and available prices based on disease and raw material available. Preparation of brochures and design of product packaging items. Carry out all import and export and customs duties of medicinal and non-medicinal items after registration and clearance of drugs and pharmaceutical raw materials. Import pharmaceutical technical skills to import pharmaceutical technical knowledge for pharmacists and active experts in the pharmaceutical industry. Good manufacturing practices, GMP, quality management system, good storage practice, GSP, formulation of cosmetic products, formulation of various pharmaceutical forms, introduction of various types of devices and lines related to the manufacture of different forms of medicine and packing, introduction of common excipients and auxiliary material in the manufacture of different forms of medicine and their use, methods of making different pharmaceutical forms, consenting and pharmaceutical formulation services from the stage of product selection and market studios of industrial up-production batch consumption. CEO Dr. Zara Nikfal, PhD in toxicology. Founder of the company, parties to the contract, associations, Scientific Association of Emergency Medicine of Iran, Bakiatullah, University of Medical Sciences, Iranian Society of Toxicology and Poisoning, Association of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Specialists of Iran. Obtaining the following certificates. A candidate for a knowledge-based certificate.